Okay, so this is going to lesson 22. That's 2 standard screenplay in 3, 2, 1. So now let's fix this place. This certified. This is first we're just gonna double G and push upwards. Take these. This one first. Push it. Oh no, not that. Take this. Double G over there, and this one right over there. Or take both of these. Just push it outside so that it won't clip through. Yeah, that's a word that I was thinking about in the last chapter. Clipping through. Yeah. Um, you do the same thing over here. Just giving its normal boundaries. There we go. Take this GUI. Like that. Cool. Now we're gonna take both of these points. Now take both of those vertices F to make a like connecting line. So we might have some issues over here. Let's fix this. GUI. Get it inside. Alright. Now let's take this entire edge loop, then make it a duplicate. Go to isolation mode. Get rid of the top part. Get rid of the extra words. If this 7, so we're gonna put 7 up on top. Let's make faces. So start. Now what we're gonna do is we don't need this, so get rid of that. I take that. Insert it. Just a tiny bit. What about this? Double G. Push it there. Let's get this to double G. There. Double G, pull it down. Just make sure that all the 4 sides are even in the inset. Now A, UI. Extrude over on the y-axis. SY0. Shift and to recalculate the normals as usual. Now sub D it and give it some boundaries.